Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the app and system are current because updates often fix audio routing bugs. Once done, choose your output device, headset or speakers, and set it as the system default so audio doesn't split. Open the messenger call, tap share screen, and enable the share audio toggle. This tells the app to capture system sound. If you're on desktop, run a quick local playback to confirm the selected device is producing sound before continuing. This prevents wasted steps later. Next, you adjust system permissions and app settings so audio can be captured and shared. On Windows or Mac OS, give Messenger microphone/screen permissions and set the default communication device to your chosen speaker. This aligns input/output. In the Messenger Share dialog, pick the correct screen or app window and confirm the audio checkbox is on. Also, disable exclusive audio control in sound settings and quit apps that lock audio like DAWs or other conferencing tools, because conflicts often mute the shared sound. To finish, play a brief media clip and ask the person on the other end to confirm they hear system audio. This verifies successful sharing. If they don't, immediately restart Messenger, toggle the share audio option off and on, and reselect the output device. These quick resets resolve many glitches. If problems persist, restart your computer, reinstall Messenger, and review firewall or privacy settings blocking audio capture. One key troubleshooting tip: test in a different browser or the desktop app to isolate whether the issue is browser-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.